Small displacement bikes are making a huge comeback, and Honda just dropped something special. The 2026 SL125 resurrects a beloved nameplate with modern sensibility and classic style. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're checking out whether this lightweight Scrambler is the perfect entry point for new riders and the ideal urban runabout for experienced ones. Let's dive in. Design. The 2026 SL125 captures the essence of 1970s Scrambler cool with a contemporary twist. The high-mounted exhaust, upswept silencer, and knobby tires give it that go-anywhere aesthetic that made the original so appealing. The compact proportions and clean lines create a bike that looks nimble and fun. Chrome accents and retro Honda badging add authentic vintage flair, while the modern build quality is evident in every component. The upright riding position is comfortable and confidence-inspiring, making this an inviting machine for riders of all experience levels. Performance. Don't let the 125cc displacement fool you. This air-cooled single-cylinder punches well above its weight class. It's smooth, peppy, and surprisingly capable for urban adventures and light trail riding. The 5-speed gearbox is perfectly matched to the engine's character, delivering adequate power for city commuting and back road exploration. The lightweight frame makes the SL125 incredibly easy to maneuver, while the capable suspension handles everything from potholes to gravel roads. Fuel economy is exceptional, making this an incredibly practical daily rider. Features and technology. Honda has equipped the SL125 with thoughtful modern features. Fuel injection provides reliable performance and easy cold starts. The LED headlight and taillight improve visibility while maintaining that classic round headlight aesthetic. The analog speedometer with digital readouts keeps things simple and readable. A USB charging port handles your phone or GPS needs. The disc brakes front and rear provide confident stopping power, and the whole package weighs in light enough to easily manage in tight spaces or parking situations. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda SL125 proves that big fun comes in small packages. Is this the perfect beginner bike or urban scrambler? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like and share it with anyone considering their first motorcycle. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for honest, detailed bike reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.